Want to get in the best shape of your life for 2021? Well, stay tuned because in this video, I'm going to share 3 things that you need to do to get fit and completely change your life coming up. Now, before I dive into this video, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you get notified every single time I post a new diet tip or workout video. Hey, my name is Jenny J. I'm an online fitness and weight loss coach with over a decade of experience helping people just like you get fit, lose weight, and completely change their lives through my online programs and workout challenges. And in this video, we're gonna be talking about 3 things you must do. You must take action to make 2021 your B. You are ready to shed the quarantine weight and you're ready to get back on track and feel good in your body. It's not just about looking good, right? It's about feeling good too. You've survived quarantine. Now let's thrive in 2021. Now listen, every year rolls around and people set New Year's resolutions to get fit, to finally start that workout program, to finally start eating healthier. But guess what? 74% of people who set New Year's resolutions fail. And this is why. Number 1, they have not set a plan for themselves. If you fail to plan to fail. You need to have an action plan for success. You need to make sure that you set a SMART goal for yourself, something that's specific, measurable, action-oriented, realistic, and time-bound. If you don't have any of those 5 elements in place, you will not be able to achieve your goal. So make sure that you get very clear on what it is that you want to accomplish so that you have an action plan to move forward. Second thing is that you need to have accountability in your goal. All too often we set a goal for ourselves and we don't tell anyone about it. And to be quite frank, we don't follow through with our own habits or our own goals or our own wishes. But when we have accountability, someone is counting on us to actually complete the thing. And that's why we excel more in a school-related environment or a work-related environment, because you have checkpoints, you have deadlines, you have assignments that are due, and if you don't do them, you're gonna get in trouble or you're gonna get fired or something bad is gonna happen. So it's important to make sure that you set accountability. So find a friend, join a community, join a program, do something and put your money where your mouth is and make sure that you actually follow through on it. If you don't tell anyone, if you don't tell someone else other than your own head, you're most likely going to fail. And tip number 3 on how to get into the best shape of your life for 2021 is to sign up for my 3-part video training on how to get into the best shape of your life. There are so many people who crash diet the wrong way. There's so many people who do it so wrong and they end up failing. And I am here to guide you on the right way. There is a wrong way and many people fall for it. And I'm gonna teach you exactly what to do, step by step, how to make sure that you can actually achieve your goals once and for all. So make sure to click on the link in the description below to get your 3-part video training. I am going to be sharing the top tips on how I've helped hundreds, if not thousands of people get in shape through my online programs, through my live classes, my one-on-one nutrition coaching sessions, and so much more. So I hope you liked this video and I hope you enjoyed these tips. If you did, please like and comment below and let me know once you've signed up for the 3-part video training. And if you want more nutrition tips from me, make sure to check out this video here and I'll see you on the next one.